Tesla's full self-driving FSD system now allows you to initiate drives directly from park mode. This includes starting in both reverse and drive, enabling autonomous maneuvering out of parking spaces and driveways. This feature, part of FSD V13 as of mid-2025, aims to enhance convenience and autonomy in everyday driving scenarios. First, ensure your Tesla is in park mode. The dashboard will show P, indicating the vehicle is parked and ready. Then, tap the full self-driving icon on the touchscreen or use the designated button on the steering wheel to activate FSD. The system will display a prompt asking you to select either drive or reverse mode. Once you've made your selection and confirmed, the vehicle will autonomously execute the chosen maneuver, using its cameras and sensors to navigate safely. When in reverse, FSD uses cameras and sensors to meticulously scan the surroundings, identifying obstacles and ensuring a safe path. It starts slowly, gradually accelerating as it clears the area. Automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection are active, enhancing safety during this maneuver. This is powered by Tesla's neural networks. When Tesla's full self-driving is in drive mode, it actively scans the surroundings for traffic using advanced cameras and sensors. This allows the vehicle to autonomously merge into lanes and handle complex driving situations. The system enables the car to autonomously exit parking spots and driveways, smoothly transitioning from park mode to active driving without manual intervention in many cases. Throughout the drive, critical safety features remain fully active, including automatic emergency braking to prevent collisions and advanced pedestrian detection powered by Tesla's neural networks. Finally, the vehicle accelerates smoothly and makes intelligent driving decisions, such as maintaining safe speeds and navigating traffic, just as an attentive human driver would. To use full self-driving from park mode, you need a clear, unobstructed view for the cameras and sensors. This ensures the system can detect obstacles and navigate safely. You also need an active FSD subscription, which costs $199 per month or $10,000 for a one-time purchase as of 2025. Additionally, you need a compatible Tesla vehicle, generally post-2016 models equipped with autopilot hardware. Remember, the driver must remain attentive and ready to take over at any time, as FSD is still experimental. Despite advancements, FSD is still classified as an experimental feature and cannot handle all driving situations perfectly. Factors like severe weather, complex intersections, or unmarked roads can pose challenges. Drivers must always monitor the system and be prepared to intervene, as FSD can sometimes disengage, requiring manual control. Average one disengagement per 5,000 miles in 2025, per Tesla data. Real-world examples demonstrate Tesla's full self-driving system in action from park mode. In San Francisco in 2025, a Tesla Model Y equipped with FSD V13 autonomously exited a tight parallel parking spot in heavy fog. The system reversed the vehicle onto a busy street and successfully merged into traffic without any driver intervention. Another example from Austin, Texas, shows FSD starting in reverse from a steep driveway, navigating around obstacles and stopping for oncoming traffic. This demonstrates adaptability in controlled scenarios, but the system hesitated at a blind curve, highlighting limitations in unpredictable settings and the need for driver vigilance. These real-world examples illustrate FSD's capabilities in controlled scenarios like parking exits and driveway maneuvers, while underscoring the importance of driver attention in unpredictable situations. The future of Tesla's full self-driving system is shaped by rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and integration with smart city infrastructure. AI improvements include multimodal learning that combines vision, radar, and ultrasonic sensors for better decision-making, while V2X communication enables interaction with traffic signals and other vehicles. Tesla aims for unsupervised full self-driving at Level 4 autonomy by 2027, allowing vehicles to operate without human supervision in certain conditions. This includes robotaxi services in select cities, potentially revolutionizing transportation and creating significant market opportunities valued at up to $7 trillion by 2035. Despite these advancements, significant challenges remain. Regulatory hurdles require extensive safety testing and approvals before full autonomy can be deployed. Liability issues arise when determining responsibility in accidents involving autonomous vehicles. Additionally, adapting FSD to diverse global road conditions, from crowded Asian cities to rural African highways, demands extensive localization efforts. The shift towards supervised FSD modes, where the system can initiate drives from park but still requires driver monitoring, reflects growing regulatory acceptance. This intermediate step builds trust and safety data before moving to fully autonomous operations. As Tesla and other companies navigate these trends and challenges, the ultimate goal remains creating safer, more efficient transportation systems that benefit society as a whole.